Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2021 Kawasaki Z400 ABS. This bike only has 530 miles and is offered for $54.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great naked super sport that Kawasaki put out. This one has a lot of nice additional extra features on it. You want to hit the turn signal, Rob? I'm going to show you, it has an integrated tail light with the turn signals that was added, which is really cool. Also fender eliminator kit, Leo Vinch exhaust system, frame sliders, and also a lower cowling just to kind of give it a cool look. This one also has bar end mirrors and anodized Z400 red grips. So this thing is dialed in. It's got about $1,000 of accessories on it. Been through our service department. We did the first service on it. It's usually done at 600 miles, but we went ahead and did it for you. So you won't have to do another one until 4,000 miles. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 45 to 50 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.